This is a beautiful wrap. It's lining rich material. It's a large stone. Wrap means is semi-finished. You only need to polish the stone. It is wet in order to show the colors, or like how approximately the colors will look at the end after the final polish. It is gorgeous. It's a very large stone, super bright, super bright, very stable field that is Malga in the graving area outside of Lining Ridge. This will be perfect for a pendant, a pin, a necklace. Maybe a bit too big for the ring. Finish this stone to pass on to generations in your family. It's just amazing. It's simply gorgeous. Super bright from every angle.